Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be trying a lot of new products out. The star of the show is going to be the Morphe Avani Greg palette. It's so stunning that I found at the Morphe store for $4. We have a couple of AOA Studio products to try out. In Ioni blush, we have a LA Colors setting spray, so many new products. Also the Ioni eyelash glue pen, and we have a lip oil from the Dollar Tree. So definitely stick around and see what my thoughts are and everything, what I loved, what I didn't love. If you want to know how I got this look, of course, just keep on watching. Before that, don't forget, if you like drugs and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it. And the video's gonna start right now. Alright, so we're just going to get started. I have a lip balm here from the Dollar Tree, and this is the Be Pure Mango Lip Oil. I haven't used these at all. This is the only one that I saw there, so I believe this is the only flavor. Again, this one's in mango. There's a look at that. It looks really nice, so hopefully it works. And again, there's a close-up look at that product. And then on the back, you do get some information. It tastes like mango. It's so nice. It smells like mango with chili. Ooh, it feels so nice on the lips. Okay, I'm feeling a little bit of tingling, but it says it's a lip oil, it's a mango scented, yes and yes. It feels so nice on the lips, so okay. Right, next I'm gonna tackle the eyebrows. So I have the AOA Studio Slim Brow here in the shade Ebony, and then I have the LA Colors brow pen. As you guys know, I've been trying to use this and gather some more thoughts on this, but it's really nice, and this one's in the shade Dark Brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the brows. So basically just outline, fill in, and then just clean them up. Alright, now that I have that initial outline, I'm going to go ahead and take the LA Colors brow pen, and I'm just going to start filling in the outer parts. To clean up the brows and to prime the lids, I'm going to take the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This is my favorite way to cut up my brows. I really like the formula. It's really thick. It doesn't move around too much or too easily, and it just covers up what I need it to cover up. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up the brows with this. I'm blending that in with my sponge. I love this part. It just cancels out all the veininess on my lid. It just creates a clear canvas. Ooh. Love it. Next, we're going on to eyeshadow palettes. So we do have this palette from Morphe, and this is the collaboration with Avani Greg. And basically, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted a reel where Morphe was having a wholesale 50% off on a lot of things on their I don't know if they were doing it on the website, but in person, in store, and this palette was $4. Like basically $5 with tax. So affordable. I had been eyeing this out for a long time. However, at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, this palette retails for like $16.99. So that compared to $4, it was a steal. So I had to have it. There's a look at the palette, but if you did want it, it is available still at Morphe. Not sure if the sale's still going on, but it's also available at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And there's a look at the palette. It's so beautiful. I love the little imprints on it, on the pans. And then if you read the palette, these two rows down here, it says you wet your brush before you line. So basically you can use those as liners as well, which we're not going to do today, but I do really want to stick to the more green tones in this palette, like these two here, and kind of create a more like neon-y kind of moment. And then we might use this situation here for the lid. I'm not really sure right now. And then we also have a liner from City Color here, and this is their City Color Be Bold color liner. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, I posted a reel. I did a City Color haul there because they were having a sale before the 4th of July situation. But yeah, so we are going to use that. So let's just get into it. I think I'm going to start off with this lime shade here that has its mirror as well. So I'm going to take that shade and just throw it in the crease. Oh, it's actually keeping its color as well. It's not like just fading away. It's building up nicely. I'm going to take that yellow shade. I'm going to use it to blend out that green, and hopefully it can create a very like neon-y kind of moment, kind of like what we have going on with the earrings and the nails. I love using this big fluffy brush. Just kind of like throw it on the outer portions of that shadow, right? I'm gonna go ahead and go into that dark forest green, and I'm just gonna start smoking that out on this outer corner here, and it's just gonna create some depth. All right, next I'm gonna take that gray shimmer shade and I'm gonna throw it on the lid. For eyeliner, I do have a new Ioni product. This is the Ioni Everlasting Eyelash Glue Pen. And I've actually never seen these at my 99-cent store. This one's in the shade black and it looks like that. It looks so cute, and this is part of their Sweets collection. All right, so there's a look at the eyeliner pen. Again, this is their Everlasting, what is this called? Eyelash Glue Pen. I haven't seen anybody talk about this, so hopefully it works. And it looks like that. Before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the lashes I'm gonna be applying. These are the Ioni Feathery Cluster Doll Lashes, and I did pick these up at my local 99-cent store. So there's a look at those. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on and see if I have to cut them. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing using the liner. Right, so I'm just going to do one eye at a time just in case. I'm going to take the white liner and just go over top. All right, for mascara, I'm going to go ahead and take the e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. And then we're going to see if that liner actually works. I'm honestly very skeptical. It looks really nice as just a regular eyeliner. But I hate lash glue liners just because it's that mascara step in the middle. Wow, it's like really gripping to the lashes. FYI, if the lashes are on and you kind of like try to take them off, they do bring some of the liner with it, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to reapply some more. So does the pen work? Yes, it like really is gripping onto the lashes. It's like really tacky. All right, so if you guys watch my reel on my City Color order, I went ahead and picked up 2 primers. I have the City Color Glowing Complexion Illuminating Cream, which we're gonna throw on first. And then we also have the City Color Clear Canvas Primer that I haven't tried either. So both of these are new primers to me. But first off, we're gonna take the Illuminating Cream and we're gonna see what this does. And it does smell like baby wipes. Oh, it's like really bringing in the glow. It wasn't hard to blend in at all. It honestly looks really nice and I'm really impressed. It's honestly giving a really beautiful glow to the skin. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this primer, and again, this one's meant to hydrate, brighten, firm, and smooth. I didn't bring any mattifying primers with me. Oh my gosh, I like literally have the other one all over me. Oh, this one's like watery. I thought it was gonna be thicker. Interesting. So it's like water. It's like super liquidy. So I'm just gonna throw that on. I think I did this because of how mattifying their foundation is. So I went ahead and purchased a hydrating primer and an illuminating just to have a nice base underneath. But oh my gosh, this is literally water. So interesting. I really like the glow from this product, but this one is really intriguing me, so I'll definitely have to keep trying this out. But it's like so watery and hydrating. It was nice. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the City Color Be Matte Foundation. This one here is in the shade Matte 202. For concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and take the e.l.f. concealer that I used earlier, and just gonna throw it on the under eyes. I'm telling you, this foundation is so good. This concealer is so good as well. And just a heads up, when you do look up, you can feel the liner kind of stick to your lid. Just FYI. We do have 2 powders today. I have the AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Powder. This one here is in the shade beige. I'm going to use this to set the under eyes. And for all over the face, I'm going to take the Sephora Beauty Amplifier powder. So I'm just going to take the AOA Studio with a sponge on the under eyes. And then this powder all over. This foundation looks so flawless. I think I'm gonna finish up the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the AOA Studio Gel Liner. I've been using these on and off. This one here is in the shade Seize the Day, and it looks so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and use this to align the eyes, and I'm just taking that forest green. I'm going to take it on the lower lash line. I take my fave brow gel, which is the City Color Be Bold brow gel, and I'm going to throw it on the brows just to set them down. Now that we're here, I think I kind of want to do lips before we get into the face. So I'm going to take the EBIN NY 24-hour gel lip liner, and this one's in the shade Brown Cocoa. Then I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. I haven't used this shade. This one is in Candyman. So it looks so stunning. It smells like coffee. Oh yeah. And I wanted something cool tone for the lips, and to kind of mesh everything together, I'm going to throw on the Remy Rose Glitter Lip Gloss. I'm not sure what shade this is. Ooh, oh, it's definitely coming out purple. Well, I'm telling you, the Remy Rose glosses are 10 out of 10. Amazing. Love how the lips are looking. For the rest of the face, we have a couple of new products. So we have the AOA Studio Perfect bronzer powders. I just picked up a new shade. This one is the shade Toasted. This is the one that I had purchased before, but I went ahead and picked up the shade Latte just to kind of compare them. This one is a little deeper. So again, this one here is in Toasted and this one is in Latte. So today we're going to use this one here in the shade Latte. We're going to see our thoughts, because I felt like this one was okay, but for more of a natural kind of moment, not, I don't know, it wasn't as deep as I wanted it. So we're going to take this one and we're going to see what it can do. Oh, these powders are so pretty, and they just came out with some new palettes today on the Shamasay website. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10 for this color. The blendability, the color, everything about it is amazing. So I'm so glad that I purchased it in a deeper shade. Oh, it looks so nice. Okay, new favorite shade in the bronzer is Latte. Works perfect. So next we have a blush from Ioni, and this one here is in the shade Sugar Cherry. So they came out with a bunch of blushes like this. I don't think I own this color, so, but again, keep an eye out for the names and just the tones of things, because they do tend to come out with the same stuff, just, you know, different packaging, outer packaging. But there's a look at the blush. It looks so pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this on. As expected, it's so nice. I'm telling you, like, these types of products from Ioni are 10 out of 10. I'm actually gonna do a top 10, bottom 10 Ioni products actually after filming this video. So I already have some thoughts on some of their products, so definitely stay tuned for that video. But if it's up already, I'll have it on the screen and down below. But I'm telling you, like, their blushes and highlights are so good. And I'm going to throw some on the nose just a little bit. Before we go on to highlight, I do want to set the face. I'm going to use the LA Colors It Must Last setting spray. I did pick this up from my local Family Dollar. They had like 2 other types of these setting sprays, so I want to use this one and see what it can do. And supposedly it's supposed to make your makeup last, so there's a close-up look at that. I did end up picking up a bunch of the Paw highlighters. They just came out with a bunch of these on the Shamasay website, and this one here is called Wish on a Star, and it's like, I believe, the lightest one. And all the other shades are stunning. It's basically just a highlight with a bunch of reflex, like different color reflex in them, and it just looks so beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that in the inner corner and on the face. And this is actually perfect. It has a hint of purple to it, so it's gonna kind of tie in the lips. Oh, this is definitely coming out more golden on the inner corner. Oh, it's coming out more golden on the face as well. It looks so subtle in person, but in the viewfinder it looks so wet and stunning. So Hey guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below on everything that I used today. I'll give you guys some quick, a quick run through. The highlight honestly is not the best color for me. I I thought it was going to be a little lighter, but it honestly came out more golden, so definitely keep that in mind because it doesn't look like that in the pan. This shade is Wish on a Star, so I'm kind of like 50-50. I'm still gonna use the other highlights and see my full thoughts, but actual formula was really nice. It's just the color wasn't it. The eyeshadow was actually really nice. It blended nicely, so again, another product that I'll have to keep using and gather more thoughts on. The bronzer for sure in Latte is 10 out of 10 for me. This is my perfect bronzer shade right now. I just love how it just like built up really easily, and it just goes so well with my skin tone. So this one's definitely more my speed opposed to the Toasted shade. It was just a little too light for me, whereas this one was like perfect. So definitely if you're my skin tone and you love bronzer, the shade Latte is going to be for you. The blush from Ioni, 10 out of 10. I really much enjoy that color. Then we have the lip oil from the Dollar Tree. I definitely recommend if you love mango. It smells so good. It smells like mango with like chile on it, and it's so nice, and it feels so nice on the lips as well. So cute. The eyeliner from, let's do the AOA Studio one because the cap fell off, but this is the gel liner in black, and it's just stunning. It just works so well. I picked up every single color, and so far I'm really impressed by these. And then we have the Everlasting Eyelash Glue Pen, which actually worked. I'm so surprised. I didn't think it was gonna work, honestly. I didn't have really high hopes for this product, but literally like these lashes are on. Like, don't pull too hard, but like they don't feel like they're gonna fall off or anything. And I am gonna wear this makeup throughout the day, so I'll definitely update you guys soon in an upcoming video, but I'm really impressed by this product as well. And then we have the setting spray from LA Colors. Honestly, the smell smells like cucumbers, and it just felt so nice. I really love the mister, so if you happen to see these and you want to try it out, definitely do. I want to see how it works on my skin, like if it's gonna make the makeup last. Of course, the foundation is like so good, so I know it's gonna last a long time. But yeah, and then the primer and stuff, honestly, like everything kind of got covered up by the foundation, but I just love my base today. And the eyes, I think this is a good makeup day, so definitely let me know your thoughts down below. And we made it to the end. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, the names of the prices, is going to be down below, as well as any videos I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you can stick around, it would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds or looks that are high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.